Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send My Little Pony badges in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you need to collect the badges. You can go to this menu and you're going to go to the souvenir and you're going to use your harmony gems to exchange for random My Little Pony souvenir badges. And this is my balance. I have 7 harmony gems and we need 3 harmony gems to exchange for random My Little Pony souvenir badges. I'm going to show you guys. Oh, I got this badge. And then if you want to send the badges you have, you can click on send a badge. And then you can select a badge to send. And remember guys that you can only send your badge only if you have more than one badge. You need to have the duplicate of the badge. Let's try this one. As you can see that this badge cannot be sent because I only have one. And I'm going to choose this Pinkie Pie's greeting badge, and as you can see that I can send it. Okay, and then click on send and you will be able to send it to your friends or to the other players. Make sure that they click on this icon to get the badge. Okay guys, and that's how you can send My Little Pony badges in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!